I'm Joe, Fleet Manager for Silchuk Transport. We're going to go over how and when to use the Optimized Idle, S-Bar, and the Webasto heaters in the Freightliner trucks. The Optimized Idle you can use for the battery mode or an interior comfort as needed. Park Smart for when you're parked for your 34-hour or your 10-hour break. Or the Webasto heater or S-Bar for when you're parked and need heat. On the steering wheel, you have these two little square overlapping buttons. You're going to depress that. It's going to open up a caution menu just saying you have to be in neutral. Click OK. That's going to open up your battery mode or your interior comfort mode settings. Battery mode, it's more going to maintain your battery voltage and a few of your fluid temperatures, mostly your coolant. Battery mode is going to be used for you're parked, you're running your bunk heater. It's going to maintain your battery voltage so the truck doesn't die and it'll start next day. Right now we are going to leave interior comfort mode off. So we're just going to hit OK. The engine is now in standby mode and it's going to start and stop automatically. Let's go to the back and go over the controls. Keep in mind if you're using the Park Smart system or the S-Bar, make sure to turn the inverter off. That way the truck isn't going to start and stop for this. Now, your Park Smart unit, you have to turn the blower motor on a few notches. Push the park button in. This is only going to be used for air conditioning in this truck. You're going to turn it down a little bit to your comfort level. Don't turn it down all the way because, again, it's not going to be able to maintain that and it's going to shut off. You're mostly going to be using the S-Bar for heat. So to use that, you're going to hit the power button to enable it. Then the blue and red buttons for the temperature. Right now, it's got a default of 72 degrees. So you can set it at that. Or if you want a little cooler, you can turn it down to even 67. To turn it off, you're going to push it twice to where it says stopped. And then it's going to run for a few moments to cool off and shut down. Again, it's also going to run for a few moments when you turn it on to get everything heated up and fired up to start building temperature. In the event that your Park Smart unit or your bunk heater, whether it's S-Bar or Webasto, we have the option of running the Optimized Idle. Or if your truck is not equipped with the Webasto or S-Bar or the Park Smart unit. In order to do that, you got to turn the key on, push the overlapping squares button on the steering wheel, hit OK for the caution menu. From here you'll see battery mode or interior comfort. Press the over arrow to enable interior comfort, then hit OK. Now we are in the Optimized Idle for interior comfort. For this, you're going to want to close your curtains between you and the driving area. That way it's got a smaller area to try and maintain temperature for. Now we just went over the Optimized Idle. Now you can use it to your advantage to stay warm, stay cool, and to help save fuel. Thank you.